Hey, Tia. All right, so I have the toolkit open and I'm going to look for the digital blue card. Oh, there it is. All right, so I'm going to click on it and open the link. And then it says make a copy, so I'm going to go ahead and make a copy of it. And then what I would do is I would name it for your own name. Or whatever. All right, and then that's pretty much all you need to do. All right, and then that's literally it. All you have to do now is let me get rid of this. Okay, go to send, get the link. I usually like to shorten the link and copy it and then send it to parents. However, I did forget one thing to tell you. So up here in settings, you want to make sure you unclick restrict to users in Charlotte-Mecklenburg. Otherwise, the parents won't be able to access it. I usually let them have more than one response. All right, let me hide that. I also, what can't, is that it? I usually let them edit after they submit in case they make a mistake, but it just depends. And is that it? That's it. All right, so the main setting is that you have to do is go back and get rid of the CMS thing. All right, and save your settings. And then, like I said, go and send the link that you just copied and pasted out in your email or however you want. And that's all there is to it.